There are things you can safely share: your passions, your successes, your ideas, your memories. But there are also things it's best to keep private. Not because you should live in fear, not because you should distrust everyone, but because some information, once it leaves your mouth, no longer belongs to you. Seneca, one of the greatest philosophers of Stoicism, reminds us that wisdom isn't just about knowing how to speak. It's primarily about knowing when to remain silent. In a world where everyone exposes their life, their projects, their wounds, and their ambitions on social media, discretion has become a rare strength, a silent strength, a strength that protects your inner peace. Today, discover the 7 things you should never reveal, according to the principles of Seneca's Stoic philosophy. And stay until the end, because the 7th one is probably the one that can change your life the most. 1. Don't reveal all your plans before you've accomplished them. How many times have you enthusiastically announced a big project? I'm going to start my own business. I'm going to change my life. I'm going to move. I'm going to get back into shape. I'm going to become rich. Then, a few weeks later, nothing. The problem isn't always a lack of motivation. The problem is that talking too soon sometimes gives the illusion of having already made progress. When you announce your plans, you receive compliments, encouragement, sometimes even admiration, and your brain can mistake this recognition for the actual result. Seneca encourages us to prefer actions to declarations. True power doesn't need to be announced. It is built in silence. Keep your important projects private, away from the noise, opinions, and doubts of others. Some people will encourage you, others will discourage you, and a few will secretly hope you fail. Work quietly. Make progress every day. Then let your results speak for themselves. The greatest success is often the one no one saw coming. 2. Don't reveal your weaknesses to just anyone. Being vulnerable isn't a weakness. Talking about your struggles with someone you trust can be deeply human and necessary, but not everyone deserves to be inside your wounds. Some people listen to understand, others listen to judge, and some only listen to use your confidences against you later. Seneca emphasized the importance of carefully choosing the people you let into your mind. Your inner peace also depends on the people around you. Don't give someone the power to hurt you further by revealing everything that scares you, makes you vulnerable, or shames you. You don't need to tell your whole story to be authentic. Maturity isn't about closing your heart. It's about knowing who to open it to. Save your deepest wounds for those who have proven, over time, that they know how to respect them. 3. Don't reveal your resources and financial situation. Money attracts curiosity, expectations, jealousy, and sometimes ill intentions. Whether you earn a lot or a little, your financial situation is nobody's business. When you reveal your income, savings, investments, or possessions, you can unintentionally change the way others see you. Some will admire you for the wrong reasons. Others will envy you. Some will start asking you for favors, loans, or explanations you don't owe them. Stoic philosophy teaches that wealth doesn't define a person's worth. What matters isn't what you own, but how you use what you own. Seneca himself knew about wealth, but he reminded us that a person should never become a slave to their possessions. Be careful. Remain sober. Don't turn your financial life into a spectacle. Financial security thrives on silence, and so does dignity. 4. Don't announce all your good deeds. Helping someone is noble. Giving is noble. Supporting someone in need is noble. But if you constantly feel the need to talk about everything you do for others, ask yourself this: are you truly helping to ease someone's suffering or to be admired? Seneca valued virtue, but genuine virtue doesn't need applause. There is a form of generosity that is done in silence, a generosity that seeks neither recognition, nor gratitude, nor reputation. When you do good without shouting it from the rooftops, your action retains its purity. You don't need everyone to know that you helped a friend, supported your family, paid for something for someone, or gave your time. The most powerful good deeds are often those that no one talks about. Do good because it's right, not because it's visible. 5. Don't reveal your family conflicts and personal problems. Every family experiences tension. Every couple goes through difficult times. Every relationship can have misunderstandings. But not everything has to become public. When you tell too many people about your arguments, you might be seeking support. However, you're also giving others an incomplete version of your story. You may be able to forgive your loved one. You may be able to repair your relationship. but the people you told about the conflict may still retain a negative image long after the problem has been resolved. Seneca teaches us not to let our emotions dictate our words. When you are hurt, angry, or humiliated, you want to talk. You want to be understood. You want someone to agree with you. But words spoken in anger often create more damage than the conflict itself. Protect your privacy. Resolve issues with the people involved, when possible and safe. Not everyone needs to know the details of your private life. 6. Don't reveal your next move. There's a difference between asking for advice and revealing your entire strategy. You don't have to explain every decision. You don't have to justify every change. You don't have to warn everyone before taking a new direction. Want to quit a job? Prepare first. Want to start a project? Build it first. Want to distance yourself from certain people? Do it quietly, without grand pronouncements. The more you talk about your next move, the more you open the door to unhelpful opinions, criticism, and interference. Stoic wisdom reminds us that we cannot control the thoughts of others. However, we can control our discipline, our preparation, and our behavior. Your strategy doesn't need to be understood by everyone. There is great power in remaining silent, working patiently, and letting results appear at the right time. Don't give your plan to those who aren't concerned by your destination. 7. Never reveal what can steal your inner peace. This is the most important one. Don't give others all the keys to your mind. Don't tell them exactly what makes you lose control. Don't systematically show them what triggers your anger. Don't offer them all the information about your fears, insecurities, and emotional limitations. Why? Because your inner peace is your most precious asset. Seneca taught that we often suffer more in our imagination than in reality. This means that our greatest struggle doesn't always take place outside of ourselves. It takes place within our minds. If someone knows exactly how to provoke you, how to humiliate you, or how to make you doubt yourself, they can easily disrupt your equilibrium. But if you learn to control your reactions, you become much harder to manipulate. This doesn't mean becoming cold. It doesn't mean becoming distant or insensitive. It means learning to respond instead of reacting. Before responding to a provocation, take a step back. Before sharing your pain, ask yourself if this person deserves your trust. Before revealing intimate information, ask yourself, does this protect my peace of mind, or does it endanger it? Self-control is a form of freedom, and those who control their minds possess a wealth that no one can steal. Discretion is not weakness. It is emotional intelligence. It is maturity. It is a way to protect your energy, your future, and your inner peace. According to Seneca and Stoic philosophy, a more serene life often begins with a simple question. Does this person really need to know this? Don't divulge all your plans. Don't share your vulnerabilities with just anyone. Don't make a spectacle of your money. Don't turn your good deeds into advertising. Don't expose your intimacy to the world. Don't reveal every strategy. And above all, never give anyone the power to control your inner peace. Speak less, observe more, work in silence, and let your evolution become your answer. If this video has been valuable to you, write in the comments, "I protect my peace." Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Stoic wisdom, personal development tips, and lessons inspired by Seneca, Marcus Aurelius, and Epictetus. Because sometimes, the greatest power isn't in what you say, it's in what you choose to keep to yourself.